स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, welcome to Manual. So today's video is all about the crash course launch for NCHMCT JEE so you can enter into your dream IHM. So guys, first of all, how's your preparation going? I think you will be in little bit confusion state because आपका 12th board भी आ रहा है as well as आपको entrance preparation का भी डर है, right guys? So don't worry guys, if you have 12th plus entrance का डर, then guys कुछ तो कर, you definitely need the double का dose, and that is nothing but all your plans, whatever your plans are there, the strategies, okay, take a one paper, write down all this and multiply it or doubles it. So whatever the motivation, whatever the strategy, whatever the plan, whatever the preparation and whatever the strong determination you must need for your 12th preparations, and you also kept for your 12th preparation, guys, double fold that, same बना के रखो आपके entrance preparations के लिए भी. देन गाइज आप 12th के साथ एंट्रेंस का भी प्रिपरेशन कर सकते हो एक्सेप्ट 1 ईयर का टेकिंग ड्रॉप. सो 1 ईयर का ड्रॉप लेने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं गाइज, जस्ट डबल द डोज. ओके, डोसेज बढ़ा दो यार एंड स्ट्रेंथ भी बढ़ा दो. सो आपको क्या करना है, यू नीड टू डबल योर डोसेज एंड द स्ट्रेंथ. सो वेरी फर्स्ट पॉइंट, इनरोल विद द लाइव लेक्चर्स, लर्न ऑल द शॉर्टकट ट्रिक्स and all the new techniques which can enhance your preparation. Second one, start giving the mock test. So this will analyze where exactly you are in the preparation stage and how much preparation you needed. Okay, you will get the topic tests. Write down the topic tests also. Okay, and the PDF files or even the ebooks for the practice purpose. So overall, the guidance and the motivation that will boost your preparation, and that is known as the double ka dose. So where you will get, just visit our new YouTube channel which named as Manual Hotel Management, which is very specific to all hotel management entrance exams such as the NCHMCT, JEE, ECHAT, Maharashtra, CET, IHM Aurangabad and others. So guys, link for this YouTube channel I mentioned in the description. And guys, आपके जो भी doubts है with respect to the hotel management, आपको किस टाइप की वीडियो चाहिए, on which particular topic you want a video, just tell me in the comment box. So we'll try to make the videos on same. So guys, to get the best coaching for NCHMCT, JEE and even for all HM entrance preparations, call our board line number 8828581455. So let's come to our main point, the double ka dose. How you will get the double ka dose? Okay, join our crash course preparations. This is the course where what you will get all the basic concepts and ebooks for the practice purpose. You will get the access for the mock test, both with respect to the topic test and the full length mock test. So total 5,000 approx question will become into the practice purpose. You will get the mentorship by the exam experts and the toppers. You will learn to the topper strategies. All syllabus will be taught. You will learn to the new shortcut tricks and approach learning, and which will overall put the cognitive effects in your preparation throughout. So the major focus will be on the quant, the reading comprehension part, very important one, the puzzle and arrangement part in logical reasoning, the general awareness and the service sector. Approx 80 hours plus classes and doubt session will be there. All your doubts will be cleared into the live class. The WhatsApp group will be made for all the students, so you can share your ideas with them and you can also share your doubts on the WhatsApp. So guys, for enrollment you can call or WhatsApp on these number. So guys, this is the double ka dose technique, how to prepare along with your 12th. So friends, as you are eager towards the 12th, you should have the same eagerness towards your entrance preparations, because guys, with respect to the 12th, you already know some of the syllabus. Okay, what will be the portion, you are already aware about the dates, that will be the 23rd of April to the 29th of May. So you can plan all your strategies, how much syllabus you already covered and how much you should cover. So there is also deduction in the syllabus. So guys, now you can move to the entrance preparations. So make your strategies, how many hours you can give for the entrance exam along with the 12th. So it's all depend on your plan and strategies, but if you need the double ka dose, then call on this number. This is all the plan. Now how will the strategy runs? The strategy will run through the manual preparation tools, that is the step 1, 2, 3 and 4. So if you are joining our live lectures, then very first one आपको access मिल जाएगा प्री रिकॉर्डेड वीडियोस, PDF फाइल्स एंड मॉक टेस्ट. सो मॉक टेस्ट आपको बाद में अटेंड करना है. यू कैन स्टार्ट विद द मॉक टेस्ट फर्स्ट ऑल्सो. ओके, सो जो भी लेक्चर होगा गाइस, उसके पहले आपको प्री रिकॉर्डेड वीडियोस में से वो वीडियोस देख लेनी है जो आप डैशबोर्ड पे अवेलेबल होगी. देन यू विल कम टू द लाइव लेक्चर्स. इन वीडियो लेक्चर्स you will have some basic concept clear. Classroom preparations में आपके सारे fundamental doubts भी clear हो जाएंगे. Okay, you will learn to the new shortcut tricks, the mentorship, you will get the guidance and the overall cognitive effect. And most one, that is the motivation part. After the classroom preparation, just pick up the books and do the practice. So यहाँ आपको practice करनी है with the books, and thereafter you will get access for the topic test with respect to each particular section. So यहाँ आपको topic test देने हैं, साथ साथ आपको mock test भी देते रहना है. So once you will give the mock test, you will get the exact evaluation at which particular stage you are. So once we cover all the syllabus, then we will carry out the workshop, okay, and the revision part. So this is all the strategies. We always have the plans in our mind. The way how we implement it, that's we have to learn. Okay, how to implement our plans properly. So guys, the 12 plus entrance preparation, it is not like out of world. It is the matter of just 1 cup coffee. Yeah, seriously guys, have some analytics with you, which will boost, which will triggers your nerves. Why only NCHMCT? Because if you wanna enter into the hotel industry, then guys, you should be graduated from the IHMs only. There is a great future ahead and there is a great growth ahead. Such as in IHM Pusa, the IHM Mumbai, IHM Goa, Bangalore, Chennai, Bhopal, Kolkata, Ahmedabad, Lucknow, there are various IHMs. So guys, the thing that remains when you will start your preparations. So what are you waiting for? Just come at manuedu.com/hotel management, get access for all the boosters such as the books, mock tests, sectional, full course. You can interact live with us. So for live lectures, call on 8828581455. If you are targeting to IHMs in 2022, then guys, you can also get the preparation for that. You can call on all these respective numbers, or you can call or WhatsApp on this number. So guys, link I already mentioned in the description, so kindly go through the link, and don't forget to subscribe the channel to get the regular updates with respect to the hotel management. So this is all from the today's video guys. If you have any doubts or query, you can ask me below comment section. So thank you very much guys, all the best for your career. See you in the next video.